guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with this news. Alright, so Gary Cotrill, will be one of the Sky Sports reporters, come outside to say he gets an insider information from one of the Arsenal staffs. We're going to give him an expose on Bukayo Saka. So you're going to let him know say the injury to Bukayo Saka is not as bad as we think. Get say now probably a muscle strain or a precaution. Although we all know say this information and not be like an official statement from Arsenal. You get even Arsenal then we even put out an official statement, and maybe Mikel Arteta will come outside for the press conference ahead of the match against Man City, maybe on Friday tomorrow. Or come outside let you know say okay, Saka don't heal and hurty, or maybe we'll see Saka the train today. We won't get that information. So okay, the boy don't come back because normally that's so it'll usually be. Oh, we just see the person for training. So kind of journalists won't come outside and say this guy don't come back. He don't come back. So this is the part of the thing why they talk yesterday. Say when the guy do back heel, it gets no be like what this Arteta they talk. No be saying a person jam him or kick him. You get saying a back healing do you can feel something. They can't come at them as a precaution. They can be say they can't still live and there. Get so these are some of the talking about. You just like that Julian Simba own. People would argue say they don't come at them on time before the thing can escalate. So these are some of the things ready for the talking arena, but that one no nullify the arguments. Say Arteta no supposed to play the ball in the first place, but still we'll just watch it go happen. And my own part of the argument is say, even if Saka don't recover, maybe they no plan for this match. Even if they will plan, maybe they put on the second half. Yes, maybe 20 minutes to go. Now doing me, I decide because playing him in this kind of high intensity match, this match is very very important to Man City. They don't like to lose this match, you get. So they will carry all their firepower, come carry all their physicality, come. And them know say Saka was taken out 3 matches ago, taken out 2 matches ago, taken out against this RC Lens. For that reason, they will target that in leg because they know say Saka na be our most potent player. For that reason, forget Pep granted the defender say, almost this guy, I'm the senior man, I target that in leg. Maybe they also come out for the 4th match in a row. For that reason, we'll just chill, you get. Depending on how the first 70 minutes go. If Arsenal in the ascending order, maybe if we lead, then there's no need to bring back Saka because I see a situation whereby Martinelli will come back and Trossard will play. So if they can man the wings, we'll just play the match. At most, if we get a draw, it's okay because the damage has already been done. Saka no dey 100%. Even if he tells me Saka they come back today, in my mind, he is not certified okay to play. He's not fit. Down the way me I see him, I don't know the way when I see him because some people say, hey, if the talk say don't come back, make him play. And no, that one are just to be aggravated because after this match now there will be a lengthy break. That one said by the 10th Arteta to play and say, okay, you can still manage him because after this one, October 8th, then the next time we will play again, maybe like October 21 or October 22. So now lengthy break, like we're talking about 2 weeks. So for that reason, you will get enough time to rest. Well, we'll just see how Arteta will decide at the end of the day. Alright, away from that, so based on the match which happened yesterday for the Champions League, so I can't draw out one comparison what I make a lesson I know, and that is the match between Newcastle versus PSG. Who would have believed that Newcastle would beat a PSG with Mbappe, Goncalo Ramos, Dembele, Marquinhos, Donnarumma, all these fine players get. At the end of the day, they chop 4-1 at the St. James Park. Who would have believed? That is the reason that kind of thing happened. I mean, so I'll explain to say it was a special occasion for Newcastle playing Champions League football again at the St. James Park. They were riled up to win this match. They were pumped up, to win this match. Like for them, it was a monster because it was a special occasion. Now the same thing, that special occasion effect. Now it affect Arsenal against Arsenal. So Arsenal won that course 2-1. Like the same thing we just do this PSG side. They don't believe their eyes. They chop 4-1 on the night. So it is what it is. Go and look at the comments coming from the Magpies. People that say it was miraculous night. Like Almiron we opened the score. Look at the way they celebrated. It took so much time to celebrate. Longstaff score. Gambon score. Like they were all happy on the night. Mbappe was missing. So now so football they be. Football can sometimes be magical. So they happen like that. So it is what it is. We just used to happen. Group of death. Look at Newcastle now, they top the group of death table. Alright, Saka self not going to make matters today easy for people, because now it's going to put all of us in the realm of speculation. Do you know that Saka can go for Instagram, can go post a picture of gym? He gets, because he post a picture of gym, then the song we're going to play for the background, now I Believe by Ashake. So now people can speculate, say what this means is that Saka believes say he will play, or probably he just give us indirect message saying the gym, saying they're ready, like they're ready ahead of the match against Man City. And one thing is clear, even if say nothing to Saka today, Ateta will not come and tell you, because they will want hide that information. They don't want make Man City know whether Saka will play or Saka no will play. Now until probably on the final day when lineup come outside, now you go see. Even if they ask Ateta about the media setting, if you tell you talk say we are not still sure, we are still assessing him, let's see whether he will play, to be a late fitness test. So everything now in the realm of mind games. So that gym where Saka posts, people don't interpret them differently. So me, I don't know whether I want to see him. That's why I say make I show when I make I see the things so they see. Nobody know how to interpret that. Does this mean Saka is gymming is okay? Does this mean he's not okay but he's trying to be okay? Like there's so many interpretations either. So as me I show now you see the gym, you see the background song. What thing you think say they happen there? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, Henry self will be one of our legends. Come back second to blame William Saliba for RC Lens 2 goals, because you can also say Saliba positional awareness for that match was very, very poor. Like, how do you allow El Wahil to give that pass in the first place? And how do you allow him to score this? Like, look at the way everything happened. He scored the second goal. Where were you? You left your number 9. Your business is with number 9. You're supposed to mark that guy and give him close marking. You left him. So that is why when you watch after the match, Saliba say, may nobody blame Raya. So now collective effort, so all of them they no try. So a mistake where all of them do, because instead no say in positional awareness for that match, you know they were, because Henry is asking where was Saliba? Where was Saliba? Look at the first goal. I don't draw attention to the fact that Declan Rice could have marked that guy who scored that first goal, because then analyze that. So everybody get their own collective effort where they no do. But at the end of the day, nobody's talking other one, and rightfully so. Everybody is fully positioned and concentrating on why Arteta starts Bukayo Saka. So it is what it is. At this point, I believe say it is a known thing now. Say Arteta made a mistake. With the power of hindsight, say you're not supposed to start the boy. If we rest him, if we go lose, we will lose. You get? They will not say okay, because we rest our best player, that's what we do. So moving on, let's not cry over spilled milk. We'll just proceed. Olega will be the captain of Arsenal. Instead, don't come and say we are not scared. Like, we are ready, we are excited to face a Man City. So how excited are you, our community members, to face a Man City with a potential loss of Bukayo Saka, not in the squad, and Martinelli, even though the toxin will come back, for now, we never know, because like I said at the top, mind games, they go on. Even Pep said will run mind games for us, get. So we said we never know who will play our lineup. Don't be surprised on that day, get. I just let you know, don't be surprised on Sunday, 4:30 p.m. You go see Arsenal lineup, you go see Martinelli, you go see Saka. Don't be surprised. You go shock everybody. You go see Martinelli, you go see Saka, you go see Declan Rice, you go see Thomas Partey. Don't be surprised. More just watch. If it happen, if it not happen, but me, my brain already tell me say now waiting fix up at the end of the day. But more just watch. Alright, so Mark Goldbridge also come as I say Arteta will defeat Arsenal will defeat Man City without Bukayo Saka. When you give an example, say Arsenal still get other players, and for the fact say Arsenal they play at home, and Man City they are without Rodri, they are without Kevin De Bruyne. Say which other magic they want to do? Even though Bernardo Silva don't come back, John Stones don't come back, but what other magic? See, in as much as we like to be optimistic, may not forget say Erling Haaland still there, and with Bernardo Silva coming back, they still have a Jack Grealish, they have a Phil Foden, even Jeremy Doku, the talking are average players. These guys, they do individual mistakes, because anytime we play Man City, my fears has always been individual mistake. If we make any individual mistake, they will punish us. Get this one will be Lens, so we say they create chance. This one will be Brentford, they create 1 million chances, they don't fit score. If you give Erling Haaland chances on the platter of gold, Baba go bury him. So this na the thing wey always affects me whenever we play against this Man City. Nobody say we don't create our own chances, and if we say create chances, we go make sure say we score them. Like Henry talk yesterday, Nketiah, Trossard, all these guys, Kai Havertz, all these guys need to come out and live up to expectation. You need to step up. You can't always allow Saka to drag the team from the scruff of the neck. They carry them go to the finish line. No, you get, so you need to do our own duty. Make sure so you make everything go well. So that's the way me I decide. But at the end of the day, go see now. The question is, do you believe in what Mr. Goldbridge is saying, that we have the chance to defeat this Man City without a Bukayo Saka? Do you have that confidence that we can do it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, the PGMOL contact said Darren England will be the lead VAR operative for the match between Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool after the audio tape don't leak. Say they no go fire him. Yeah, despite all the calls for somebody to be sacked, say they go fire him. Now the contact say the second voice for the audio when they talk say make them stop the match, even though they don't restart about 30 seconds. Make them chill. Make them tell the referee say that thing now go. When they come to say no, there's nothing we can do. They don't restart. Say that one I just Dutch graduate, just graduate from school, waiting for the VAR, and he still gets sense past a referee go where they get, so they're going to give that one accolades. I don't even know that one name, but at the end of the day, not to say the only thing they will do moving forward, we say this Darren England say no go officiate any match will concern Liverpool, so you know go put a hand there because Liverpool don't get bad blood for where they. So for that reason, they will post up to other matches. All the places where they put in name for Liverpool match, either as an on-field referee or a VAR operative, they don't cancel your name come out. So that's how it will be. Alright, so Freddie Ljungberg come and say Arteta pushed Saka too hard. You say it no make sense. And at the same time, people like Agbona also we talk yesterday, say Arteta overplay, Saka even himself talk and say Arteta overplay, Saka like everybody say the same thing. And myself, I don't talk him for a very long time. Yes, even when he break that Paul Merson record, I don't already sing this and say we did overplay this boy, we did overplay this boy. Many people can give comparison between him, Messi and Ronaldo. Say all those ones they play plenty matches. So as it be now, it is inevitable that he was going to be injured. So it don't happen. We say it don't happen. I believe say we don't overflog this issue on Arteta's culpability on Bukayo Saka's injury. Everybody knows say Arteta do mistake, and Arteta seven talk say he will learn from a lesson. So let's just proceed. Our Shea Given, Gokoma Secretary say, see between Oli Watkins and Ivan Toney, who should Arsenal be going for? Because in the field say Oli Watkins is an Arsenal fan, you get, and this guy don't talk say in the press say one day in the future he go play for Arsenal, and this guy is more prolific than Nketiah and Gabriel Jesus. Then they take IC post. But the problem is say he get the same profile as the players we have. It doesn't give us the dimension of attack in the air. So okay, maybe we want to go long. It doesn't give us that. That is the only difference. We stand them out between him and Ivan Toney. If not for pace, he get pace. If not for busting net, it's Sabi, and he gets all the prerequisites, he gets all the necessary ingredients to score goals. So at the end of the day now, the question where I say make I ask him like what is she giving the talk between Ivan Toney and Oli Watkins? Who you go say make we sign? Who will be your preferred number one? Because for me, I can see what Oli Watkins is doing, but for me, I go for Ivan Toney. The only difference is say he give us an option with aerial threats. That's the only way me I did look at. So let me know what I thought. If you don't agree with me, let me know what you think. On the Daily Mail under Sammy Mokbel also come and say Saka injury no dey too serious. Say Saka do scan on Wednesday. So the scan don't reveal some results. Say it no dey too serious as we think. Now they're saying we'll do another scan today. Will be Thursday, make them confirm everything. But still, me, my own be say when that scan come out, you know come out, make them rest that boy. You get, they don't go finish her. You get, so now doing me, I can see him, but just why I just say make I let you look at. I say I don't tell now. Initially saying do scan on Wednesday and today, so I just let you know. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So, CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good